We're very scared today. Because tonight we might not have a place to sleep. But I can't see anything, Dad. Dad, we're blind. Dad, we're blind. I see it.
Dad, away, Dad. Quick, quick.
Hagwart, good, right?
Is there still more yet to come?
Wow!
Big Explosions is brought to you by Bud Light Lime.
That was amazing.
Oh yeah, and Pepsi Cola.
Ginger, now you won't have nightmares.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh. Woo!
That was extended play.
Yeah.
This is amazing.
Yeah.
I don't care what that cost, it was worth it.
It's still filming, so.